Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood garage, and today I'm going to walk you through the proper way to clean a dirty paint gun. The Eastwood paint gun and equipment cleaner is a great way to save yourself time and money by not needing to buy a new paint gun. Depending on the level of cleaning needed, you can wipe, spray, or submerge your spray equipment. Along with a thorough internal cleaning, I also like to wipe down the exterior of all my spray guns immediately following a paint job. This keeps my paint equipment top notch and always spraying like new. Does your current spray gun have leftover residue from a previous paint job, causing spitting, sputtering, and an inconsistent spray pattern? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, you'll want to clean all the passages to revive a paint gun others would throw away. To fully clean a paint gun, we first need to disassemble the gun. Make sure to take note as you take each part off the gun, as this will speed up reassembly. I start off by taking the paint cup off to clean it by itself at a later step. Next off is the air cap. Careful not to drop this, as the air horns are easily damaged. Pulling out the needle with the nozzle still in the gun will protect the needle from any accidental damage. Using the included spanner wrench, I now remove the paint nozzle. Now the air diffuser is accessible to be pulled straight out with the puller, which is included with all of our paint guns. The most important part I remove if completely submerging the gun will be the packing nut. This keeps unnecessary cleaner out of a vital part. On the Concourse Pro paint gun, we will need to remove the trigger to access the packing nut. I pop the clips off using 2 screwdrivers. Working from the back of the paint gun, I can now access the packing nut with an Allen wrench. Be mindful that there's a metal nut, spring, and packing nut which can fall out here. I like to lay my parts on a clean workbench exactly how they came off the gun. The fully disassembled paint gun is now ready to be soaked in the cleaner until the paint softens up. I tend to only soak the area of the paint gun which comes in contact with paint to keep gun cleaner out of air passages which do not need to be cleaned. On the Concourse Pro and most paint guns, this will be the area in front of the trigger. Once the parts have been soaking, you can begin to pull each part out and thoroughly clean with a specialized cleaning kit such as the Eastwood Professional Paint Gun Cleaning Set, which is ideal for this task. With such a kit, you'll get specialty precision mini brushes and needle sets which are needed to clean each air hole. One example is looking at the air cap to see the air holes which direct the paint expelled into the spray pattern you're used to seeing. If these holes have even a small amount of paint in them, the overall spray pattern and quality will suffer. Once you're finished cleaning and putting the paint gun back together, you'll have like-new performance for your next paint job. Clean paint equipment will be able to perform at its best and last you for years. Best part of all is the low VOC formula, which allows this product to achieve 50-state compliance. Another great product to help clean paint guns quickly in between paint jobs is the Eastwood Injected Cleaner. This pressurized cleaner will be able to help blast out any paint as soon as you're finished the most recent color. For more information on any one of these products or any product to do the job right, you can click or tap the button in the corner or follow the link that appears on screen.